Life is not that easy like what others think. Poverty is just around the corner and it's become more and more harder when pandemic comes. No freedom, no work, no assurance of tomorrow's generation. Everyone is so afraid for what will tomorrow will bring. I'm afraid for my family, for my children. I don't know what kind of future I can give them in this kind of situation now. I don't want them to experience everything I've been through. Even I work really hard, it's not really enough for me to give them the life I really want them to be. I want a change that my family deserve, but I don't know where to start. Until my friend introduced me in this company. I'm new in this kind of business. I don't know what it is, how to earn, how to handle it, until he showed videos and explained it to me. I become excited. It's really a good one. It's a seamless fiat crypto ecosystem called Sapphire Scenic. I know there's a lot of cryptocurrency nowadays, but what I like the most in Scenic is that it is a very simple to understand. It's not complicated. I have got digital access, best hardware wallet you will ever had. Likewise, I will have legal protection, and most important is that I'm not just a holder, but I'm the owner of my business. Furthermore, I also like the company's massive power. Scenic is located at Dubai, that's why I feel more secured. All the people behind it have a lot of experience in IT system. The trading is very great. I have traded my Scenic coin to dollar, buy and sell coin in just one click away. The coin has a huge potential for increase based on the world economic trade. Scenic will be 24 trillion US dollars worldwide by 2027. I can have many ways to earn. Even I don't have any referral, still I can earn coins. I will have annual halving, weekly profit, and massive income. This is the networking I can benefit a lot. I cannot imagine I will see a company like this. Wow! A company that can give me a uni level up to 15 ladder, career level, and a bonus profit. So what I will be afraid of? I am more feel secured and safe now. Scenic is a partner with investment bank and private crypto fund. This is the future crypto that I've been waiting for. Now, I really clearly imagine what will my family will have in the future. They can go in a good school, have a food to eat, nice clothes to wear, and a great house to live. I'm very thankful I have Scenic by my side now. What I prayed before will be my dream and will all be coming true with Scenic.